In this video, we will be highlighting interesting facts about Quezon City, Manila in the Philippines. To start off, here's one fun fact. One of the favorite foods in Quezon City is pancit palabok. This traditional Filipino dish is made with rice noodles, shrimp sauce, and a variety of toppings like shrimp, pork, and crushed chicharron. It's often served with a side of halo-halo, a popular Filipino dessert made with shaved ice, evaporated milk, and various sweet ingredients. As you can see, this video is packed with a lot of information. It also includes a list of malls, both indoor and outdoor, a list of restaurants, and the history of the city. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with friends and family. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Last but not least, please watch this video till the end to retrieve all the information. The background music has been handpicked just for you. Thanks for supporting our community. Talk to you in the next video. Enjoy!